bịakwanụ ka unu furu ka esizikwa ezu meshin ndị mmadụ ka unu kekwa nkwụcha na nkwụcha abụrụzikwa ụjọ. Nke a unu furu na-eme n'elu ebe a kịta bụ na hospital ka nke anụnwa na-eme. Ndị nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ paakịrị meshin fe ebe anụnwa wee banye n'ime ụlọ ọgwụ, ndị ekperime unu na-afụ ndị ochi azụrụ azụ wee bịa ebe a zuru nya bụ meshin ofu ntabi anya kafa na-ezu meshin afọ amụhụ na ndị ụlọ ọgwụ a tinyere CCTV wee na-afụ ife niile na-eme ebe anụnwa unu ya afụ kafa si wee zuru nya bụ meshin na rie. Onye nke unu na-afụ na SP Bright Dafe nọ na ebe a wee na-ekwu okwu bụ onye si na nga wee pụta a sịkwa nọ 5 days eji wee hapụ ya n'ime ụlọ nga ka o ji wee zuo ife niile anụnwa unu fụrụ dọ na ebe a ma mechie mma jeneretọ ndị mmadụ. Ọkwa unu fụrụ ochi ihe ndị ọdụ na ọbara ịpụta apụta na afịa ahụ nke onye atedori aka 5 days etekarị na ọ bụ na obodo a nọ ndị obodo anụnwa enwere ike nwee mmemme a na-eme asị ka ahapụ ndị nọ na nga kafa jefu ndị befa kafa na ndị befa nwere aṅụrị. Unu amakwa na enwere ike ịhapụ onye ahụ ebe 12 o'clock maọbụ 1 nke ehihie before 3 o'clock akpụchi ya takwa ya n'ime ụlọ nga wepụta ya na TV na ebe agha hapụrụ ya na ọ narubekwa ụlọ n'osikwa ebe ahụ wee zuru ochi wee na-aga. Ndị uwe ojii jidekwa ya kpuchi ya ta na enu ka ndị efu a si wee jee n'ụlọ ọgwụ. Ndị paakịrị mechin fa na-anara ọgwụgwọ nsọ maọbụ ndị bịara efu ndị nke fa nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ fabata ebe a bukọrọ mechin fa narie. O nwekwa ebe ị na-eje malụzikwa ahụ dịka iji agbachi mechin go malụkwa na ihe egote ụzọ na-abụ nke a na-akpọ ịga ike ya n'aka ike ya n'ọkpa ka ya n'onu wee banye n'ime ebe ị nọ maka na ịhapụkwa ya ntu apụọ fa amazikwa ka esi agba ihe ebife ya na-apụta ya wa afụzi efe paakịrị ka hapụ unu ka unu gaa ajụjụ a na-ajụ ekperime a hapụ 5 days ozuwekwa ezu ezu.
I am SP Dafe Bright and this is Delta State Police Command. We are presently at the EagleNet Special Squad where we have 5 suspects. One of them happens to be an ex-convict. The story is pathetic because he just came back from prison for similar offense. He's an expert in stealing bikes. Like you can see, this is I don't know the kind of bike. It's more of like a sport bike or a lady bike, I don't know. But this is one of the bikes he stole. And during the course of our investigation, conducting SW, that is carrying out a search warrant, we also recovered this and this from the person who is alleging pushed him into doing this. And according to him, the man in whose house we recovered this, he had earlier sold a stolen bike to him, and the man was arrested. The bike was recovered, and the man arrested him by himself, tied him, and ordered him to go and steal another bike to replace the one he had stolen before. My guy, what's your name?
Precious, sir.
Precious?
Yes.
Okay, Precious,
sir.
You sabi pidgin English or you like correct English?
Pidgin English, sir.
Pidgin, correct. Me, I still like pidgin too. When you go prison, that time you say you go prison and when?
You never pass 5 days when I come back, man.
You just come back from prison 5 days ago.
Just let me put it 7 days.
Okay, 7 days.
Yes.
What did carry you go prison that time?
Na the same bike issue, sir.
Which bike? What did you do the bike?
Na stealing.
You steal the bike?
Yes, sir.
They come arrest you, carry you go court?
Yes.
How many years they sentence you?
2 years complete.
Okay, so now the 2 years you serve finish?
Yes.
Now you come back 7 days ago?
Yes.
So when you come back, I think say normally when person from prison come, he go repent. So what happen to your own case?
As I come back, the man get information.
Which man? What be the man name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed, okay.
He get information say I don come back from prison because him dey read the date wey I go come back. He dey calculate am because he know the day wey dem jail us. So him dey calculate am. As I come back, him come come with us. Come tell me say make I no worry. Say make I go make I take my treatment. Say me him not the thief again.
Our audience go like to get your whole story, but me, I not really get that time. Okay. What do you say the man do you wey make you do what you do now? Just tell me that one.
The man tie me.
Why he tie you?
Based on say one make I go steal another bike for am, make he take recover the one wey he lost before.
The one wey he lost before, who give am?
Na me.
How you take get that one?
Na the same stealing, sir.
Okay, you thief that one give am?
Yes.
So when you thief and give am that time, police come arrest am, they collect the bike from am?
Oh.
So after you don serve your prison term, come back?
Yes.
He come say make you go thief another one, come give am?
Yes, sir.
So now you take go thief this one. How you take thief this one?
This one na where dem pack am. I go thief am. As I thief am, me dey try move and they don disconnect am. Na him one boy catch me, tell me say make
How
I
you take start the bike?
na disconnect sir.
You disconnect am?
Yes.
You come use wire start am?
No, I just disconnect am. As you disconnect am, e start.
Okay, once you disconnect am, e go start?
Yes.
Okay, so how dem come take catch you with the bike?
And I take catch you with the bike, my slippers fall. So as I come park the bike, make I go put my slippers. Na the security man saw me, tell me say make I wait. I wait. Tell me say why I dey carry this bike go. I no fit lie for am, make dem say me I dey try make I bring the man leg come out. Make I know as I go take find my
So
way.
wetin you come tell the security
I
man?
tell am say this machine wey you see so oga, say na carry I go carry am for person house.
Wetin you carry abi you thief am?
Na thief I go thief am for person house.
Be specific. You can't say wetin you thief. You no fit say na carry you carry am. Okay, what's your name again?
Gracious.
How old are you?
27 years.
27. You are from where?
Ejime.
These 4 boys wey dey there, which of them you know their name?
I know this one name, I know this one name.
Wetin be their name?
Name wey I take know them na guy name. This one na wetin dem dey call am na yellow. This one wetin dem dey call am na black.
Okay. So wetin dem dey follow you do before?
This one wey you see, na be the main person wey your oga.
Wetin dey help you do? Wetin dey follow you do before?
This one na him consider your oga beat me, make I tell the truth, beat me. Even this mark wey I carry.
Which of them you say dey follow you dey thief bike before like you?
That one I no see am. Oh, the only this one I know say dey go alone thief.
Okay, this one too dey thief bike.
Yes.
Wetin be that him name?
I don't know, I don't forget his name.
Wetin be him guy name?
I don't know his guy name. Na him name I forget.
Okay, no problem. So why we are bringing this to you is because recently there has been an upsurge. There has been an upsurge of people who form the habit of breaking into people's homes, stealing their generators, stealing chairs, and there are people who are professional receivers. What they do is to receive and sell at cheap price. Don't forget, when there is no receiver, there will be no person that will want to go and thief because they know that nobody will buy it from them. Always ask for receipt when you want to buy items like this. Kudos to personnel of Eagle Net of Delta State Command. Kudos to members of the Hunters Group.